Hello everyone, and welcome back to Operation Water Drop, a program for English speaking and reading in a way you can share with your students. Today we are learning Lesson 17, the story of Passover. We are also learning objects in the house today. Are you ready? Grab your notebooks, sit up straight, and let's get started. Let's learn our new vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Paint. Paint. A painter paints the walls of a house blue. Paint. Blood. Blood. When you hurt or cut your finger, you will see red blood. Blood. Door frame. Door frame. The door frame keeps the door in place. Door frame. Messenger. Messenger. A messenger delivers letters or important information from one person to another. Messenger. Event. Event. An event is something that happens on a certain day. For example, a party is an event. Event. Passover. Passover. Passover is the name of the event to remember when God saved his people from slavery. Passover. Finally. Finally. After waiting for 2 hours, it was finally time to board the plane. Finally. Free. Free. The birds are now free from the cage and fly away. Free. Freedom. Freedom. In our story today, God gives freedom to his people from the Egyptians. Freedom. Firm. Firm. The hero is standing firm against evil. Firm. Burden. Burden. A burden is something heavy you carry that weighs you down. Burden. Yoke. Yoke. The oxen are yoked together so they do not run away. Yoke. Slavery. slavery. The Egyptian captors put God's people into slavery. They had to work very hard for no money. Slavery. Great job, everyone. Let's learn our power verse together. Are you ready? Galatians chapter 5, verse 1. It is for freedom that Christ has set us free. Stand firm then, and do not let yourselves be burdened again by a yoke of slavery. Let's read it together one more time. Galatians chapter 5, verse 1. It is for freedom that Christ has set you free. Stand firm then, and do not let yourselves be burdened again by a yoke of slavery. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's read My Precious Book together. My Precious Book, page 35. God told Moses to tell the people to paint blood on their door frames. When God's messenger went out to kill the Egyptians, he would not kill those in these houses. The event that night was called the Passover. After this, Pharaoh finally allowed the people of God to leave Egypt. Why did God tell the Israelites to paint blood on their door frames? We can learn 3 important points from our power verse and from this story. Number 1, God set the Israelites free from slavery. He wants to set you free from sin. Number 2, God wants us to be free. When we have freedom, we can be happy and full of joy. Number 3, Passover is a very special and important time to remember that God is powerful, but He loves us and wants to rescue us if we listen to Him. Great job, everyone. Let's learn our new English vocabulary words together. Today we are learning about the parts of the house and objects in the house. Are you ready? Door, door. Students, please close the door when you leave the classroom. Door. Table, table. We sit at the table to eat together. Table. Chair, chair. Please sit down in your chair to listen to the lesson. Chair. Bed, bed. When it is early in the morning, I do not want to get out of bed. Bed. Television, television. We also usually say TV. TV. I like to watch TV with my family in the afternoon. Television. TV. Kitchen. Kitchen. Every day I cook in the kitchen. Kitchen. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. We can also say fridge. Fridge. I put food in the refrigerator to keep it cool and fresh. Refrigerator. Fridge. Sink. Sink. I use the sink to wash my hands. Sink. Stove. Stove. I use the stove to cook eggs for breakfast. Stove. Oven. Oven. I use the oven to bake food, such as chicken or desserts like cookies or cakes. Oven. Bathroom. Bathroom. Toilet. Toilet. WC. WC. Bathroom, toilet, and WC are all synonyms. You can say, where is the bathroom? Where is the toilet? Where is the WC? Bedroom. Bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom. Bedroom. Living room. Living room. I like to watch TV or read in the living room. Living room. Windows. Windows. I like to watch the rain through the windows. Windows. Sofa. Sofa. My family sits on the sofa when we are talking or spending time together. Sofa. Great job, everyone. Now let's practice our new words while listening to our dialogue. Lesson 17, Dialogue. Hi, Dan. Thanks for coming over to help me with my homework. No problem. This is my first time at your house. Here, I'll show you around. This is the kitchen. My mom does most of the cooking, but my dad likes to use the oven to bake cookies and cakes. He is a really good baker. The living room is next to the kitchen. That's where my family and I relax and spend time together. Do you have a TV in your living room? No. We usually sit on the sofa and play games or read books. Behind the living room is my bedroom. I share my bedroom with my younger sister. Your house is really beautiful. Before we start our homework, can I use your bathroom? Sure. The bathroom is to the left of the living room. I will put a table and 2 chairs in the living room so we can do our homework together. Sounds good! Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you can practice your new vocabulary and talk about things and objects in your house. If this video helped you learn English, please like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!